music as I sleep, it's keeping me awake.
It's the house telling you to close your eyes.
And some days I can't even dress myself.
It's killing me to see you this way.
As a PFrosh, I took a survey online to request a single, but other than that, everything about which dorm you get is random. So this is my dorm.
'Cause though the truth may vary, this ship will carry our bodies safe to shore.
I actually moved in early because I did Project Build. So I came about a week early and just brought like one bag, one suitcase, came in here, and the first thing that I did right when I got into my dorm was I rearranged the furniture because this room is so small, and the way the furniture was arranged allowed me only this space to walk in my dorm. So like my dresser was over here and I just couldn't utilize this whole space. So I moved all the furniture around to look like this. And then I used my small suitcase for the whole week for Project Build, and then after that week my parents came and brought all of my stuff. And on move-in day, my FAC and other FACs as well came and brought in all my stuff all the way up to the 3rd floor. They carried it all for me, and yeah, and then we put everything together. And so I have some interesting stickers over here. These are my stickers from Build, so I have like my name and the Build logo, I voted sticker, and then my note from my FAC that I got from the very first day. And then I have pictures of my family. This is Angie. And then over here also I have some more pictures. So here's some of my friends from back home and more of my family. This is a piece that my friend actually made for me, and she printed it out for me. She's at Stanford studying architecture. And she's amazing at art, and this is what she did. I just think it's so beautiful. And then I have some more pictures of my friends over here from home for my birthday. So these pieces of home make me feel a lot more comfortable because it reminds me of the people that I love and that made home for me. So over here I have a kettle, a microwave, and a mini fridge. And so what I mostly use this mini fridge for is storing things like fruit, cheese, and water. My microwave is to make popcorn and heat up any food that I have. And I have my kettle here so I can make tea, which I love. It's a staple. Okay, so in Bassett, the first floor has one half of the floor is the Furs residence, one half is boys, and then the second floor is half guys, half girls, and the 3rd floor is all girls. So I'm on an all girls floor.
We'll tell her that I miss our little talks.
What's interesting is that they put the hand sanitizer right next to the sink, so everybody always accidentally uses the hand sanitizer instead of the soap, which is over here. So you have to be careful and make sure to use the soap instead.
Well, soon it will be over and buried with our past.
We used to play outside when we were young and full of life and full of love.
Some days I don't know if I am wrong or right.
Your mind is playing tricks on you, my dear.
This is the tree house. This is the Bassett 3rd floor study room, and I usually do CS group projects here. I have my friends come over. It's really cozy. There's a nice breeze from the window right there, and usually good lighting.
'Cause though the truth may vary, this ship will carry our bodies safe to shore. Don't listen to a word I say. The screams all sound the same. And though the truth may...
My friends and I, we spend time in here at maybe like 12 midnight or like 2 a.m. and we teach each other songs on the piano. So I know one song that I learned at 2 a.m.
This ship will carry
so we're talking out here. But this is our common room, and usually people are in here during the whole month of October. People would watch a horror movie in here every night, and people eat dinner here, people study here, people just hang out here all the time, and that's what it's for.
You're gone, gone, gone away. I watched you disappear. All that's left is a ghost of you. Now we're torn, torn, torn apart. There's nothing we can do. Just let me go.
Goodbye, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what other videos you want to see, and links to all of our other social media accounts are down below.
See you when I fall asleep. Don't listen.